Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My BTC target has been hit and I took profit a few hours ago, because if you guys remember, ever since the past 2-3 days, I have been telling you about my trading strategy as far as BTC is concerned, and our target is obviously coming to the topmost part of this particular trading range. However, we are going to be having like some sort of corrective patterns at certain strategic points, and at this particular moment, right, my target was anything between 39,400 all the way to about 40,000 US dollars, because I was using the Fibonacci sort of targets in order for me to come up with that particular price level in terms of me taking my profit. So basically what I did was, boom, drag that Fibonacci extension level, right, and sort of put it around that particular area, and that was giving me my sort of target. So this is one of the reasons why I did take some profits right at this particular peak, and based on the doji resistance candles, if we flip over to the 4 hours, right, we have these areas where we sort of fell off of a cliff from. So that really shows us where the resistance and the support is as far as the doji candles are concerned on the smaller time frame, looking at the 4 hourly. So if you take a look at that particular doji, right, so it does coincide with this particular support turned into resistance, and this is one of the reasons why we are even having like these volume profile nodes act as some sort of area of value where we have some sort of price of control, rather control point in terms of the exchange between the bulls and the bears. And this is one of the reasons why you have to like sort of demarcate or allocate areas where there is potential support and resistance, or previous support turns into resistance, and this kind of allows you to like stay on your tippy toes and just basically avoid such type of volatility, especially when you can sort of get to buy back lower and sort of increase your bag. And this is one of the things that I have been preaching. So basically, when it comes to this particular trade, right, we started developing this particular trade from 29th May. Okay, so just basically flipping the volatility, sell, get to buy back, sell when it sort of reaches that particular area, buy back, rinse and repeat, increase your bag, make your money. So this is basically how we played, and the target is absolutely the topmost part of this particular area. However, just like I told you, right, the market journey is made up of price fluctuations, because it just can't sort of come from this particular low and then just one candle it sort of reaches that particular area. There's going to be a cycle which is going to be respected, and this is my expertise. Like, my expertise is finding where the potential support is, the potential resistance, my entries, my exits, like what is overall happening. So when it comes to the overall perspective of BTC, right, we are in a corrective structure. Okay, we are still bullish. Okay, but before we can go on and crack this particular previous all-time high, right, we have to sort of correct, and this is what we are doing. And if you guys have been following my YouTube channel, right, I have given you the game plan and what you need to do, and the things that you need to like sort of secure your stuff, and just be on top of your game. Okay, so what's going to happen probably in the next coming few hours is we're going to be ranging, because it is evident that BTC is going to close sort of below this particular level, because if you take a look at, let's flip over to the 12 hours. I think the 12 hours is better. So if you take a look at this particular level, right, today the daily close is going to be below 39,200. I guarantee you that today's daily close is going to be below 39,200, because this is where we had support sort of turned into resistance, and this is where we fell off of a cliff. So it's not going to be sort of an easy journey. So what's going to happen is the next tomorrow's day is going to be like this particular doji candle. If we produce this particular doji candle tomorrow, right, we sort of be in a ranging non-decisive territory as far as the daily candle is concerned, then there is a higher probability that we are going to have like a very good long day, either tomorrow or the other day. Okay, so this is what's going to happen. provided you know, tomorrow we sort of have indecisiveness, then the next day or the other day we're most likely going to, you know, sort of crash this particular high as far as this particular range is concerned, because remember, we are trading the range. Trade the range until it breaks out. And I have been giving you the plot, okay, for the past 4 or 5 days. I have been giving you the plot saying there's going to be a swing failure pattern where these particular, you know, this particular liquidity is going to be tested. And I'm not going to change my narrative like a lot of YouTubers out there, because a lot of YouTubers out there, they always give mixed signals. They talk about bearishness and bullishness, and whatever happens, either ways, they still come out on top, because they can always replay and say, look guys, this is what I told you, exactly as I predicted. But you know, the difference between me and them is I give you the highest probability. For the past 3, 4, 5 days, I told you Bitcoin was going to pump. This was the highest probability. You see, when it comes to trading, right, there's only 2 outcomes. There's the highest probable outcome and the lowest probable outcome. Granted, I do give you bearish scenarios as well, but I lean towards one particular you know, outcome more. And I really think this is very helpful, because sometimes you know, as a subscriber, as a spectator, right, you basically don't really know what decision to make, because this guy is like literally giving you 2 scenarios, you know, and you're not really that skilled to sort of make alternative moves provided you know, the other outcome plays out. So this is one of the reasons why I really pat myself on the back, because I really give you one specific high probable move and I stick to it. I don't really change my narrative easily, like when I see something happening in the markets using data, because I use data. I don't really use any emotions. I don't really use any wishful trading, none of that stuff, you know. So anyway, yeah, so basically it's all about taking profits today. Pretty simple. And I did tell you that once you see that Bitcoin is bullish and it's about to pump, just get into outs. It's pretty simple. The game is not really rigged. It's not really even that hard, man. You know, so all these days we were around these particular areas, you could have just slid in these altcoins, and by now you should have been smiling. So if we take a look at the 24-hour most trending coins, right, we did experience OKB going up as high as 15%, Kusama 14%, and you know, the past 7 days have been a blessing. They've been a blessing, even though this is like mediocre results. You know, take a look at this, 36% in 7 days. These are like rookie numbers. When it comes to crypto, these are rookie numbers, and gradually people are going to be like sort of losing hope in BTC, and they're going to be like, oh, BTC and altcoins are done, and let me just close shop, let me just do something else, you know. And this is where a lot of people get to lose the money, because this particular structure is a corrective structure. Once the bears are done selling, it's going to continue blasting off, you know. So if you have these perspectives, I'm telling you guys, you're going to be very, very wealthy. And this is going to be like a great sort of segue for me to plug in my exclusive trading group. You guys already know my prowess. You already know how I kill these charts. So yeah, I do have a new trading exclusive group, and the monthly payments are $300. With that $300, you guys are going to be able to like make a whole lot of money, because I'm going to be giving you daily updates. If you guys are interested, just email me. The email is going to be on the pinned comment, on the comment section part of this particular episode. So it's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x, aka the Sniper Trader, aka Mr. Highest Probability, telling you YouTuber. All right, have a great time. You know, I really hope that you took profit, and I'm going to be talking to you like in the next few hours. So yeah, be safe out there, be safe, and God bless you.